Hello everybody, good morning. Welcome to my channel. How are you? Hope you are fine there. Be safe. Today we are going to learn about the prepositions. What are the two prepositions? Beside and besides. Beside and besides. Actually, beside and besides are quite commonly confused because they with one another despite the different definitions. Actually, beside and besides, one has yes and the other doesn't has yes, isn't it? So they are quite commonly confused with one another despite the different definitions because it has different meaning. Okay, beside without yes, the word beside without yes tells the location of something. Understand? The word beside. Okay, beside without yes. The word beside without yes, that does not has yes, tells the location of something. Whereas besides, okay, besides with s, on the other hand means in addition. Okay, in addition or in addition to, sometimes moreover or sometimes as well. That is also depend upon the context, depend upon the sentence. So let us see here what are the uses of beside and besides. Preposition of beside and besides. Okay, beside, this tells us the location. As I told you that this tells us the location of something. Okay, for example, go and sit beside your brother. Go and sit beside your brother. Beside, here the meaning of beside means near or next to. Okay, go and sit beside your brother means near or next to. Okay, next is there is a lake beside my house. See, there is a lake, there is a big lake or small lake beside my house. This beside shows next to. Okay, next to or nearby. Okay, next is I like to sit beside my daughter. Here also, I like to sit beside my daughter means side of, at the side of, or next to. Okay, at the side of or next to. I like to sit beside my daughter. Okay, next is there is a small chair beside the bed. There is a small chair beside the bed. That means near the bed. Okay, that means near the bed or side of the bed. Okay, next is can you see anything beside the tiger in the field? Okay, can you see anything? See, there is a tiger in the field, but here asking, can you see anything? Can you see anything beside the tiger in the field? What is the meaning of beside the tiger in the field? Here this. You can see the tiger there, but beside the tiger, near the tiger, can you see anything? The meaning is here, near the tiger. Near the tiger. That means apart from the deer. That means apart from the deer, can you see other things, other animal? The meaning is can you see anything? Can you see anything beside the tiger in the field? Apart from the tiger, can you see any other animal? That is the meaning here. And now let us come to the next one. Besides. Besides, it means in addition to, moreover or as well. Okay, it means besides means in addition to, moreover or as well. Okay, and let us see through the examples. Besides ice cream. Besides ice cream, she likes to eat biryani. See, what is the meaning of besides here? Besides ice cream means in addition. She likes to eat biryani besides ice cream. That means in addition to ice cream, she likes to eat biryani also. And next is besides English, I teach maths. Here, besides English means in addition to. In addition or in addition to. Besides English, I teach maths. Not only maths, I also teach English. This is the meaning here, okay? Next is, besides being an efficient teacher, besides being an efficient teacher, this is a noun clause. This is noun clause. Efficient teacher, noun clause. Okay? Besides being an efficient teacher, she is an excellent singer. See, she is an excellent singer. Besides being an efficient teacher, she is an excellent singer. That means she is not only an efficient teacher, but also an excellent singer. That is the meaning. Besides this, she is also expert in singing. That is the meaning. Both. She is expert in both. Then, she likes studying. She likes studying, but she has other interest besides that. Other interest besides that. That means what that shows. Besides that, what that means? Studying. Because she likes studying. Besides that means besides studying, actually prepositions comes before noun and pronoun. So this is pronoun. Okay? This is the meaning of related to studying. Okay? Actually, all of you know that preposition takes place before noun or pronoun. So that shows studying. Okay? Besides studying. Understand? She likes studying, but has other interest besides that. That means besides studying, she has other interests also. The meaning is, besides studying, she has other interests also. That is the meaning. Excuse me. Next one is, can you see anything? Can you see anything besides the tiger in the field? See. Can you see anything besides the tiger? Here, what is the meaning of besides here? Actually here, when you come to this sentence, can you see anything beside the tiger in the field? Beside the tiger means, here the meaning is near. Can you see anything near the tiger? The meaning of beside is near the tiger. Can you see anything near the tiger? But here, besides the tiger in the field, beside the tiger means in addition to. Any more? Can you see any more? Okay? Can you see any more beside the tiger? Beside the tiger means, can you see in addition to any more? Okay? Can you see anything more? Anything more besides the tiger in the field means this gives in addition to, or any more, or anything. Okay? Anything else. Okay, anything else, or any other animal. The meaning is, can you see anything else? Can you see anything besides the tiger in the field? I mean, besides means in addition to the tiger. Not only tiger, but also any other thing. Can you see? Okay, that is the meaning of besides. Okay, hope you understood. Please practice more and more. Thank you for watching my video, and please like, share and subscribe. Keep smiling.